Hello, and welcome to today's video. Daily Practice English. Improve your English with simple sentences. My name is Sam, and I'm here to help you speak English clearly and confidently every single day. In this video, we will practice simple and useful English sentences that you can use in daily life. You will improve your speaking, listening, and vocabulary one sentence at a time. This is perfect for you if you are a beginner who wants to build strong English habits, an intermediate learner who wants to sound more natural, someone who needs simple daily practice to stay motivated. Each sentence will be spoken slowly, easy to understand, great for shadowing and repetition. No stress, no pressure, just daily English, step by step, with clear, real-life sentences. So, find a quiet place, relax, and speak with me. Are you ready? Let's begin your daily English practice now. In this session, you will learn and repeat simple, useful English sentences that people use every day, at home, at work, at school, or while talking with friends. Listen to each sentence carefully. Then, repeat after me to practice pronunciation and fluency. Let's begin. Waking up and starting the day. I wake up early, every day. I open the window to get some fresh air. I make my bed neatly. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and get ready. I choose what to wear for the day. I put on my clothes and check the time. I make a cup of tea or coffee. I eat a simple breakfast. I pack my bag and get ready to leave the house. Going outside and traveling. I leave the house and lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus quietly. I get on the bus and find a seat. I listen to music or a podcast on my phone. I look out the window while riding. I check the time to make sure I'm not late. I arrive at my stop and get off the bus. I walk the rest of the way to school or work. I greet people with a smile. Work or study time. Work or study time. I turn on my computer and check my schedule. I open my notebook and review my tasks. I send a few emails and reply to messages. I attend a class or a meeting. I listen carefully and take notes. I work quietly and stay focused. I ask questions when I need help. I take short breaks to rest my eyes. I talk with my coworkers or classmates. I try to do my best every day. Speaking practice. Repeat these sentences. Now, let's repeat some of the most common sentences again together. Repeat after me. I wake up early, every day. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I make a cup of coffee and eat breakfast. I go to work or school on the bus. I say hello to my coworkers or classmates. I open my notebook and focus on my tasks. I ask questions and do my best. Great job. You're doing very well. Narrator, supportive and warm. These small sentences may feel simple, but they are the foundation of everyday communication. By repeating them slowly and clearly every day, you are building real fluency in English. In the next part, we will focus on afternoon sentences and conversations, including lunchtime, working, and casual chatting. In this session, we'll focus on what happens in the afternoon, including lunch, work, study, rest, and simple communication. As always, listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking fluency. Let's begin. Lunchtime sentences. It's 12 o'clock and I'm feeling hungry. I take a short lunch break. I go to the kitchen to prepare my food. I make a quick lunch, rice and vegetables. Sometimes I have a sandwich or a salad. I sit down and eat slowly. I drink a glass of water. I check my phone while I eat. I watch a short video or scroll through social media. After lunch, I wash the dishes and clean the table. Back to work or study. After lunch, I return to my desk. I check my schedule and continue my work. I finish a report and send some emails. I try to stay focused and not get distracted. I take short breaks to relax my eyes. If I'm studying, I open my textbook. I review my notes and read quietly. I highlight important points in the lesson. I listen to my teacher or watch an online class. I write answers in my notebook. Afternoon conversations, simple dialogues. Let's try some easy sentences for casual conversations in the afternoon. Hi, how's your day going? It's going well. Thanks.
How about you?
I had a busy morning, but I'm feeling better now. What did you have for lunch? I had pasta and a small salad. That sounds nice. I had rice and chicken. Are you free after work today? I think so. Let's talk later and plan something. These sentences are great for everyday conversations with friends or coworkers. Common expressions for the afternoon. Let's now practice some everyday expressions. I'm getting a little tired. I need a short break. Let's grab some coffee. This task is taking longer than I expected. I'll finish it before the end of the day. I'm almost done with my work. Let's meet after 5 o'clock. We can talk more during our break. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Now, repeat some key sentences from today's session. I eat lunch and check my phone. After lunch, I return to my desk. I finish my work slowly and carefully. I study and review my notes. I talk with my coworkers during a short break. I say, let's grab coffee, or let's take a short walk. Great work! You're speaking better and better every day. These simple afternoon sentences help you use English in your real life. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural English will feel. Speaking is not about being fast. It's about being consistent, and you're doing that right now. In the next part, we'll practice evening sentences. Everything from relaxing at home to dinner time and getting ready for bed. Welcome to part 3 of your daily English practice. In this part, we will focus on the evening, the time to relax, eat dinner, and get ready for bed. Listen carefully and repeat after me. These sentences will help you speak more naturally about your evening routine. Let's begin. Relaxing after work or school. I come home after a long day. I take off my shoes and put down my bag. I sit on the sofa and relax for a few minutes. I check my phone or scroll through social media. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast. I drink water or make a cup of tea. I talk with my family or send a message to a friend. I enjoy the quiet time after a busy day. Dinner time. I go to the kitchen to prepare dinner. I cook something simple like rice and vegetables. Sometimes I order food if I'm tired. I set the table and sit down to eat. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I talk with my family while eating. After dinner, I clean the table. I wash the dishes and wipe the counters. I put everything away in the kitchen. Spending time in the evening. After dinner, I watch a TV show or a movie. I read a book or scroll on my phone. Sometimes I call a friend to chat. I listen to soft music to help me relax. I write in my journal or plan my tasks for tomorrow. I think about what I need to do the next day. I check my alarm and get ready to sleep. Getting ready for bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower if I didn't in the morning. I put on my pajamas. I turn off the lights in the living room. I go to my bedroom. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes and take deep breaths. I feel calm and ready to sleep. I try to sleep before 11 p.m. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Now repeat some of the most useful sentences with me. I come home and sit on the sofa. I check my phone and drink tea. I cook dinner and eat with my family. I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I brush my teeth and go to bed. I lie down and get ready to sleep. Well done. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of your daily English practice session. You just completed a full set of real English sentences. From waking up in the morning to working through the day to relaxing and going to bed. You listened. You repeated. You spoke with confidence. That's powerful. Every sentence you spoke today helps you become a better English speaker. Every moment you spend repeating and practicing brings you one step closer to fluency. It may feel slow. It may feel simple. But this is how real progress is made. Fluency is not about knowing everything. It's about repeating the right things every day until they feel natural, until they feel automatic, until English becomes part of your thinking, not just your learning. That's exactly what you did today. You practiced useful, real-life English. You spoke clearly. You trained your ears and your voice. You stayed focused. And that's something to be proud of now. Imagine what happens if you keep doing this every day, for 1 week, for 1 month, For 6 months, your English will grow. Your voice will grow stronger. Your confidence will grow faster. And you will feel more ready to speak English anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you, please give it a like to support the channel. Leave a comment below and tell me, I finished today's English practice. This will help you stay motivated and track your journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Daily English practice, listening and shadowing, vocabulary, stories, and conversations. Everything made simple and clear just for you. Thank you for learning with me today. You're not just learning English. You're building a skill that will open doors for your future.
Keep going. Keep speaking.
And never stop practicing. This is Sam, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Take care, and bye for now.